Hey, this is Sean from Sean Cole Enterprises, Sean Stream TV, and I just want to give you an update on about Elite Stream TV. Now, the last video, I went over, exactly what the packages is and how it's benefited me and my family. I just kind of wanted to update you on what's been going on. Like I said, I canceled my DirecTV service. Bill was roughly about $250 a month, and they've been calling me ever since, begging me to come back, making me special offers. But the only thing I can say to them is, no, sir, no, ma'am, not interested. I have found a better way to watch television. And I can say that, and I can say that confidently because Elite Stream TV is the future of television. Stream TV is the future of TV. Um, it's a step up from Netflix, a step up from Hulu, and all those other streaming services out there. They give you more bang for your buck, more value. With not one of those services will you get over 2,000 channels, hundreds of movies, all your TV series that you love to watch for $30 a month. It's not happening. They're not going to give it to you. At least Stream TV gives you the most bang for the buck. It's the most quality product in the stream service market today, and it's definitely beating any satellite or any cable network TV service. It's not even close. Um, so yeah, I don't have any words for them. I'm never going back. Um, I'm even considering canceling my Netflix account too because I'm getting the same program through Elite Stream TV that I'm getting through the Netflix. I mean, that's only $12 a month, but it's now become $12 a month that I really do not need to spend because I'm getting all the quality content through my Elite Stream TV streaming service. So it saved me a lot of money. All you need is to sign up, follow this link here that you see. You'll get your email with your login instructions, come back, follow your install instructions. We actually also now, I don't know if I've mentioned it not, we're offering 48-hour free trials, which is 2 whole days for you to take a look at it and see how it works on your internet service. Who else is doing that? There's no other company out here giving you 2 days of free content to take a look at their product to see how it works and how it can fit in your household. And also, I also will recommend that, let's say if your Wi-Fi speed is a little low, you can come over here, you can do the speed test. And if your Wi-Fi speed is a little low, you will save money in the long run by upgrading your Wi-Fi, your internet speed, and signing up for the service and canceling that cable service. Because like I said, cable TV, satellite TV is going away. The dinosaurs is falling off. Elite Stream TV is the new modern technology. It's the new way to watch TV. It's a new way to entertain your family. You get more bang for the buck. Like I said, over 2,000 channels, hundreds of movies, hundreds of series, all your pay-per-views, all your sports packages, all wrapped up for $30 a month. And also, I'm gonna put this out there: if you refer 3 people, yours is essentially free. Refer 3, yours is free. Again, more money in your pocket, more value is what Elite Stream TV gives you. Again, this is Sean Cole Enterprises, Sean Stream TV here for Elite Stream TV. Hit me up if you have any questions. 410-929-3390. I'll place all my links in the description of this video. And have a great day. Thank you.